Hey guys, so I wanted to share this with you. So there's a speed run challenge coming up in the middle of this month for these Rlaarlo type brushless buggies. So if you have not purchased one of these, I'll put a link down below in the description so you guys can go ahead and purchase one of these because they're giving out some really good prizes. You have to go to their website and register. So I'll put a link below in the description as well for a link to their website. So if you don't have the buggy, go ahead and purchase one. And also you can register with the link I put below in the description. But there's some of the prizes there, and there's the registration time. So you got between the 15th and the 22nd to register. And look at that, top prize $2,000. That's crazy. And a whole collection of all their cars, which they have several cars in their whole collection. Second prize is $1,000. Third prize is $500. Top 1 through 10 gets an anniversary buggy, and then the top 1 through 30 gets a t-shirt. So I thought this was really interesting, so I wanted to share this with you guys. So put your comments down below and stay tuned for some more information on this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.